So a break of 91, like I said at 9 a.m. 18 minutes ago. I'm Bears are in control, and I'm expecting. Yeah, there's a little echo. I know, yes. And I'm expecting the price to continue going all the way to 180, 81. Right. So I'm expecting the price to go to by way of 84. Okay. All right. So that's what I've been saying. Okay. So these are the important comments. Okay. Break of 91. I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 180 by way of 184. All right. So Bears are in control right now. You knew at 9 a.m. when the price was uh, 192, 195, right? Right, 9 a.m. when I opened the mic. Okay, price was right there 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, back to 94, 94, 94, 93, 92, 93, and then it came and broke 91. It broke 91 at 9:12. So you've known for 12 minutes that a break of 91, I am expecting the price to continue going to 180. So that's 11 points. All right, it broke 91, and this is the worst action. It takes the low by a couple of takes, or take through three, takes 1 point, and then it goes back, and then it finally started to following through, and it took us all the way to 84. What else we know? We know that Bears are in control. Control resistance, resistance because of support. Even the teenagers are due to know that. That's trading 101. So I'm right. So as long as the price is below 92, I am still expecting a continuation all the way to 180 by way of 84. All right. And we have two resistances, 208 and 213. All right. And we were in a snake wave. Not anymore. We had confirmation that the Bears took control by that break of 91, and we are no longer in a snake wave. We are now in a bearish wave. The the wave high is still 206, by the way. Okay? It's not 96, it's not 200. No, it's 206. Only 2 points below our first resistance, 208. Why is it so important that we know that 208 and 213? Well, market is dynamic. It changes all the time. We can change hats back to bull any second, right, Mistake?
That's right.
If the price tell, if Goldman Sachs call me and tell me, hey, listen, that's it, I'm done. I'm not going to 180 by way of 84. I decided to go up now. What do we do?
We go up. We change hats.
To what?
To bull.
To bull, right? It can happen any second, or what?
Of course.
Okay. So what's one of the most difficult things for a trader to do is they just
Change
cannot change hats. You don't ask me why. Well, yeah, you can ask me. I know, but
Shawnee wrote it at the same time.
that's for
Change hats and go bull.
that's for another. Anyway, so let's continue on the trading plan for today, right? All right, so we have minor resistance 92, right? Okay, minor resistance. Okay, that's 90. Remember, 91 is the level that the price needed to break to have the bears in control and continue going all the way to 80. So those of you who shorted 91, 90, because I told you, a break of 91, price is going to go to 80, 11 points. So those of you who want to take advantage of these 11 points, you're sure right now you had a sell stop 91.90, especially at 9:13 when the price clean broke below 92, 91, 90, right? And we are expecting a continuation to 180. All right. Time right now 9:24, 6 minutes to open. It's important that we know what the supports are and what the resistances are. Right. Okay. So we are in a 16-point range way, 206.19. What else is extremely important for all of us to know today? That the market is totally out of balance. When the market is out of balance, when the market is in an out of balance condition, all my comments and all my forecasts and all my predictions have the lowest possible possibility of an accurate result. It is what it is. That's why day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. And the right day is when the market is moving in harmony with your system. So, no Lamborghinis today. We're lucky that we knew that break of 91 has the price has the intention of continue going all the way to 80. All right, so we're gonna remain bearish until I tell you otherwise, and until I tell you change hats to snake, change hats to bull. Okay? And that's exactly where we are at right now. And you know exactly 92 is minor resistance. Okay? And then the high is 206. Okay? And what is the smart money usually do at the open? If they're gonna indeed go to 180, then they're gonna trap a lot of traders, making them believe that it's gonna go up, right? But it's gonna find resistance, and we're gonna be there to deal with it. Okay, all right. Just took advantage, right? Those of you who are not sure already, you just took advantage of this bounce all the way to 92 to be to establish a new position short 92 that I've been telling you for 20 minutes now, right? And expecting eventually the price to break the low, right? But it's not gonna be that easy because we're no longer in a bearish wave. We are in a snake wave. So we're gonna have to do the same thing that we did before. It is not until the price takes 86, 85 that we're gonna have confirmation that the price is gonna continue going to 180, which is where we want it to go, so that we can make 11 points, 11, 12 points from 92, which is the short, 92, right? We want the price to go to 180, all right? 180 for 12 points, okay? And we are watching every single tick, every single second, every single minute, every single bar, every single whatever it is every single Rakanachi, Hakanachi, whatever it is that you're watching, we're watching it, right? Because a clean break of 92, now that we are in a snake wave, then we're not gonna let it go against us, right? All right. Okay, so stay sure, expecting everything that I've been telling you. Clean break of 92. Clean break of 92. That's it. Okay, nobody's not gonna work because remember, at 92 is the first resistance and 98. Okay. Now, this is what everybody wants to know now. Is the price actually going to break 92 and go to 95, 98, 206, 208, and 213? So you have it right there, right? Well, don't worry about that now, okay? Stay the course, remain bearish, expect the price to continue going down to our 180, which is our aim, our eye on the price, okay? All right, so The first break, 91, price goes all the way to 85, right? So that's 6 points for us. Open, 9:30, and then we all know exactly how the price behaves at the open. It goes exactly to 92. Is that 92 to the tick, mistake? Isn't it 92, the level that I said, and it's all tape recorder right here? The first resistance is 92. Did I say that?
Yes, you did.
And it went to the tick, right?
Correct.
All right. So, and what do we do here on a setup like this? We buy support and we sell resistance. Do we not?
Yes, we do.
All right. So those of you who were not sure the break of 91 at 9:13 when it broke, you're sure right here, right now, 92, and you have plenty of time, plenty of room to do it. Okay. So every single trade that we're on, we always want to know 7 major elements. Direction is number 1. Direction is what, mistake?
King.
Direction is king. We have direction. All right. We're already short 92. We have entry 92. That's number 2. Entry location. And then we have a clean break of 92. That's the stop. We're not going to be short on this anymore. We will reach short 95 and 98 as long as I don't change hat. Target, destination, 84 again. Eventually a break of it and a continuation to 80. Position size, very small, because I've been telling you all morning
that the market is out of balance.
Thank you, Mystic. That the market is out of balance. We are only warming up, and we have to put up with this chop right here. 85, 92, 7 points. We're gonna have to put up with this chop. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. We don't know yet. Nobody knows the future, but we have the odds, and we have the strategy as to exactly what we're gonna do in case the price does whatever it is thinking and doing. Long story short. So put up with this chop right here. No, Capi, I don't want to trade this, man. This chop. Who the hell wants to trade? You said it, man, Capi. You said it, that there's no follow through, or expect the price not to respect any of our level. That's the condition that we have right now, and that's why we are warming up with a small position size. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right. So price takes 92, and we build back better. Right, right there. Here it is. The 96, 98. Sure. Why? Because we are in a snake way. We're not expecting the price to clean take 98 and go to 98 to 100. And on a clean state, right? And we were not expecting the price to take 85 either. So we have to put up with this chop right here. All right. So another break of 98. We know price is gonna go to 200. It's a psychological level, and then we just continue with our plan, with our direction. Okay, what's the direction? Short towards the high of the wave, right? And then long the low. Okay, now let's see how strong. If we're right, let's see how strong of a resistance 200 is, and that's gonna tell us if we have a good chance of the price to drop all the way back to the low 86, test the breaker, and continue to 80. Which just put it in the back burner now. Okay. Right now we just have to continue putting up with this chop. Now we are in another micro channel, 92. 98, right? 92, 98 is the is like the second half of this micro channel right here. Oh my God, Capi, this thing is, it's been going up. Is it gonna break 98, man, and go to 206? It's exactly, that's exactly what I'm looking at. All right. All right. So you know how sometimes I tell you, hey, listen, clean break of such and such, price is gonna go here, here, and there. I cannot tell you that a clean break of 98, the price is gonna go to 206. I don't see it. All right. So we're not looking to buy a breakout. It's not gonna happen. All right. And if it does, it's gonna do it without us. Flat is a position today is as choppy and as unreliable as it gets. All right, and the professional trader is the one that knows that. See, amateurs, teenagers, they think that they have to trade every day. That's not the way it is. Okay. All right. So the first break gave us 6, 7, 8 points. 92, 90, leaping up and down, and then price takes 92. We get the hell out of 92, just like I told you, and then we build back better. Those of you who were waiting for the exact level 98, terrific. You just got picked up short the high of this snake wave, and we're done. The price needs to now continue going down from now on. If it goes right back up, then we have to get the hell out again, and then we're just gonna be flat until I tell you what to do next. All right, that's pretty much it. What is 92 now? Well, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. We know exactly what it is. All right, price just took it. We know the importance of 92, and now 92 is support. So right now we are in a micro range 200, 92, right? 91, right? So 9,200, 9,200, 10 points. We just like just like we've had to put up with the chop 92.84. Now we have to put up with that chop again, 9,200, 9,200. Okay. Alrighty. So those of us who took a shot short here, the high 98 price just drop all the way to 94, right? 94, 93. So we are up 3.345 points right here, right now, and we just have to be prepared to be to be chop lever until the price takes again 92 if it's gonna take it. The odds are exactly the same. All right, that's pretty much that's what we have today. Look at the chart, and we're still warming up. On some days we just warm up. There's no follow through. There's nothing we can do about it. All right, this drop right here is very important to us. All right, this drop all the way to 92. So we're up 6 points, right? From 98 to 92. We're up 6 points. Okay. And we know that 92, trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Look at it. Look at it. And look, it broke it. We went short. And then leaping up and down, leaping up and down, leaping up and down. Boom, it broke it to the outside. We got the hell out of the shore, and we know that we are in a snake way, so we take advantage and build back better short the high of this wave, 98, and we're up 6 points right now. So be prepared to be chop liver here. Okay, and now a clean break of 92 again, then we will be expecting the price to go to 86. But it's not gonna be easy because a lot of bears, those of us who went short 98, we're covering right here at 92, 6 points, because we know the market condition that we're having today. We know we're not expecting a follow through. We haven't been expecting a follow through since 9 a.m. since we opened here. Right? So you get 6 points, right? We short from 98, and price drops all the way to 92. That's 6 points. We get 6 points on this type of action number one and number two, it's a razor sharp entry because look, price went to 98 quarter. Razor sharp. All right, that's the holy grail. Having a razor sharp entry all the time. That's the real holy grail. All right, so we have a razor sharp entry, stop, break even, start trailing. We have a plan. We know that taking 91, 92 is not going to be easy. We know it very well, and we know why. But that's all we're doing. All righty.
Sean said that that limited race off.
We are all sure, right, from 98, and we trade multiple contracts, and we are, we are stop break even and trailing and building back better. But I want you to know that even a clean break of 92, it clean breaks it. It's only going to 86. All right. Mistake. Look what you have right there, right? You see 86. Not even 86. 87. Not even 86. 87. All right. So a lot of bears, they're gonna cover 87. All right. As simple as that. Understand that. Even though a clean break of 92, uh, the price is only going to 87. Right. That's my humble opinion. Um, it's not worth it to counter trend it long. Okay. No fiddle in the middle here. All right. Okay, only cover. All right. I mean, we're short from 98, right? 98 to 88. That's gonna give us 10 points, right? So if you have enough size, okay, that's 88 right here. Okay. All righty then. Let's see. Let's see what's the price gonna do. 86, 87. All right. Okay. So we're good because we took this beautiful short 98. We just made 10, 11 points, right? And I told you, cover 88, 87 because it's not gonna take it. Mystique, what happened? What did just happen? Tell. 87, right? Did 87 stop the price call? Yes, it did. All right. On the first leg, the price is not gonna take 86, 87. Look, Mystique. All right. Is this exactly what I say was gonna happen?
Exactly what you said.
On a day like today, we still know. On a day like today, Mystique, we still know how to read this thing.
Yes, we do.
Okay, then. All right, then. I mean, didn't I say this like 30 seconds before it happened?
Yes.
Right? And I told you, listen, no shenanigans. No, we're not gonna be heroes here. We know that 87 is gonna stop the price call. Oh, Capi, if it's gonna stop it, why not take a counter trend long, right? I told you, don't do it. All right, no fiddle in the middle. Let's concentrate fully on this short position 98 that we have, and let's ride it all the way to 84. We knew that 87 was going to stop it, and we could have, yes, I know, we could have taken a long 87. Look at that, 87. Look at that, 88, 89, 90, 91, back to 92 for almost 5 points, right? I'm telling you, not today. Today we're going to concentrate on the main play only. All right? We're going to counter trend way below, not there. Look at it.
I've got a gold digger bull, Cappy.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Kevin, look, man. We should have taken it, man. No. We're going to take advantage of this bounce. We're going to take advantage. We're going to take this as an opportunity to build back better because we remember, ladies and gentlemen, that the overall market direction is 51% bearish and 49% bullish. So we're gonna go with that. What happened?
Shawnee says, laugh out loud. I love it when Cappy does the boo.
Okay. All right. So okay. Remember all those levels. All those levels that I gave you. They're still there. They haven't moved. Okay. Sometimes we get target one, uh, in a in
In a New York minute.
a New York minute, and sometimes we have to. Oh my God! Sometimes we have to suffer for it. But anyway, 88, 87, right? We just made 10 points more. Keep it. The real high above this our show right here, the snake wave that we are on right now, is not 200. It's 203 now. Okay, so remember 206 was the high. It's no longer 206. It's now 203, which is pretty good. We like it. We like 203. All right. Okay, so the high is now 203. Okay. So yes, we know that 200 is a psychological level, right? All the teenagers, they're gonna go short 200. They don't know the real resistance is 203, not 200. Okay. So now we have three resistances. We have 203, 208, and 213. We all know that something happened, right? At our 87, right? Look at look at that beautiful bounce, just like the recoil we had at our entry short 98, right? It's a beautiful recoil too, right? Beautiful recoil 90, 98, 99, let's call it 99. And here 87, no, 86. All right, so we're all watching the action. And bulls are counting on this bounce to take the price all the way to 98, 200, and break it, and continue to 03, 08, and 13. That's what they're expecting. Right? That's what they're looking for. All right. Okay. So we need to know at all times what everybody else is looking at. What is it they're after? Okay. We need to know if the market is moving in harmony with our system. Is it big time chop like it is today? Today, we're lucky, quote unquote, that we nailed the short 92 all the way to 85, and then we nailed the short 98 that gave us 10 points all the way to 87, 11 points, right? Pretty good. And we continue putting up with all this chop. That's what the market is give us, and that's what we take it. Alrighty. Okay. Is there a hidden trend? Aha. That's a good one. That's a good question. No, not today. We don't have a phantom trend today. No, we don't have it. Okay. What else are we looking for? Well, we all can see what the we always want to know what the retail traders are looking for, right? We all can see there is a micro inverted head and shoulder, right? So they're all expecting the price to break the high, 98, right? The okay, okay, hold on a second, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here it is. Okay, so let's watch this 95 right here. All right, because we can we can see what they're looking at right now. They're looking at this bullish head and shoulder. The price right now is at the neck. They're expecting the price to break 96 and go to 203. Right, the real traders, the professionals, right? But we know better, right? How many times those CPF don't work? How many times, right? If they did, then all the teenagers on YouTube, they will be real millionaires and not fake gurus, right? But we need to watch also what the Bollinger Bar band traders. Look at the Fibonacci guys, right? They have no clue. Well, I'm sorry, I'll take that back. I couldn't care less about none of that stuff, so I don't know. But I do know a little bit what it is they're looking at, right? And the Bollinger Band guys and and the stochastics, crossover, and all the moving average guys. I gotta tell you, I don't know if they make any money. I gotta tell you, I don't know how they do it. You know what I mean? With a moving average, are you kidding me? Or a CCI, FBI, CPA, CIA, all that stuff. I don't know how they do it. Anyway, so more chop here. The micro channel 98, 92. Okay, remember, remember, ladies and gentlemen, before the market took that 92, I told you we want that 92, and we're not expecting a continuation all the way to our 80, 84, 80, right? But now this is the second time it's taking it, right? Okay, no, we're not out of the woods yet, but we are below 92, and that's good for us, right? Because we still want the price to go to 84. Yeah, I know it's only one more point below, the 85 that we print at 9 a.m. this morning. Okay, well, that's the definition of chop. The same guys that went long at 10:15, that went long hour 87, they're jumping the gun right now. They're gonna defend that 87 as long as they can, right? And then eventually it'll be broken. That 86 gonna be broken, or the 99, one of the two. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching 11:30, and 13, 12, 13, 14 point all day long, right? So pretty good, right? Considering we had such a choppy day, we nailed the breakout 92 all the way to 85. We knew that the Bears wanted to take it to 84, so we made a couple of bucks there, and then we nailed it again. Razor sharp entry 98. That was pretty good. All right, and we are still expecting the price to go to 98 and 80, because the overall market direction is slightly bearish. Right? So that's why we prefer to we've been shorting the highs, right? So couple of trades, 6, 4, 5, 6 points here, 11 points here. We still sure. Clean break of this high right here. We know price is gonna go to 200, 03, 08, and that invalidates our forecast that the levels that we're gonna be taking are the support, right? If it breaks to the upside, right? We don't believe it. We believe that it is support, the one that is going to be broken. That's why we short right here 98. So uh, stay with the plan, and remember, if you're gonna follow anybody, it's got to read the market like this, like we do here every single day, as is happening. Because if it's not live, it's not real.